Hi, I'm Jen Weibel, and I'm your professor for this 709 class this semester. And I just wanted to really quickly show you a couple techniques for screencasting. I am using Zoom, which is a free app that you can access online and you can download. You could also use some other apps that are available or other websites that are available, such as Screencast-O-Matic or QuickTime, depending on your computer. Jing is another one. If you have access to Camtasia, it's expensive, but you do get a free trial. But I provided a list to Kathy Schrock's guide to everything for screencasting, and that gives you a few apps that you can select from or a few websites to select from whenever you're doing your screencast. And I'm going to show you just really quickly how to do this for your project. Your project, think of it as just talking through your two lessons and explaining them to us like you would to a colleague in the hall. So, this is what I'm doing, this is why I think it's important, here are the pieces of it, and then moving on. The limit is 8 to 10 minutes. If you go over a little, it's fine. I'm not going to run you a stopwatch. As long as it feels like you've sufficiently discussed it and you're hitting the 7-minute mark, I'm okay with that for this first trial through the class anyway. All right, so I'm going to share screen, which on Zoom is a button at the bottom. And I am going to connect to my browser for you to share. Okay, so on my browser, I have YouTube pulled up. So what you will be doing with your screencast is, if you're using Zoom, you record it by clicking the record button, and then you can click through anything that you need to show everyone. So I could show you the screencasting app page that is on Kathy Schrock's guide, and it talks about the different ones. It gives you whether they're cost or not, whether they're free or not, and that kind of thing. There's also directions and some links to some apps and things like that can be used. So once you've completed your screencast, then if you click stop recording on Zoom, it actually opens up a file that allows you to access the MP4, the M4V that's created by it. Then you would open YouTube, and in the corner of the YouTube, it has a little upload button, and you click there. And then it gives you a place to select files or upload, drag and drop to upload. And I have a file, some Zoom files. Here, I'll show you how this works. And the Zoom meeting I had the other night, oh, right here, that's the one from today, sorry. The Zoom meeting from the other night is available, and I'll click upload. When this is finished uploading, I will change the name here and click publish. And this is going to keep uploading here. Once it is published, you will end up with a page. This usually cooperates. Maybe not. Okay, and it'll say it's processing the video. If you go to share, and then go to embed, and capture this code that is given to you there. And I'm just using Command-C on my Mac, and you can use whatever you needed to on your other. And then you would go to the page, and this will work on your discussion post as well. And you click HTML right here. So it's spinning nicely with my color wheel. And then it's going to bring you up the code view. And I am going to use paste to paste that in. And that will embed my YouTube video into my discussion board post or my piece on my Blackboard shell. And I'm going to hit submit. And it's being really slow. And once this is created in YouTube, it will display on here and you'll be able to access the screencast that you've created. I would suggest for your presentations that you script them out using a PowerPoint, which is discussed in the Module 6, a little bit more than I did with this, but I just wanted to do a real quick one to show you. And I will stop screen share, and I hope that you have a nice day.